What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be reviewing my fireworks for July 4th. Let's go! For this opening of our fireworks show, we're going to start off with the internal eruption that lasts 3 minutes long. Right behind that firework, we got the mighty sword, which I actually cannot wait to test this thing because the shopkeeper that we bought this from said it's really cool, so I'm excited. The next firework we have is the icebreaker that has blue effects. Next up, we have the return of the infamous Little Red Devils. Next up, we have the sparklers. Next up, for some reason, my personally favorite is the puppets. Next up, we got the 2 Killer Bee fireworks. Next up, we got the fairy wands. Next up, we got the red sparrow firework. Next up, we got Pistol Pete firework. After that firework, we got the color shock. Next up, after that firework, we got the on your marks, get set, go firework. Okay, now I'm just gonna group the fireworks while introducing them so the video isn't too long. So for these groups of fireworks, we got the lightning flash, the silver snow fountain, the monster blast, and the crystal fountain. The next group of fireworks is the overboard, these sparklers, and then we got the squash firework. For the next group of fireworks, we got the Crashing Course firework and the Raging Zombies. This one looks pretty interesting. This one kind of looks interesting, but this one looks pretty interesting. For our final grand finale firework, we got the Fountain Supremo Della Rose. The final finale. How? That's going to be it for our video. Thank you guys for watching. Happy 4th of July.